My name is Dr. JoAnn Ballor from IMDEA Materials Institute, and this is the fourth and final episode of UTIFE Science Explained. In the previous episodes, we explored the need for new alloys in additive manufacturing, the promise of eutectic titanium iron alloys, and the key challenges with the additive manufacturing process. In this episode, we'll take a closer look at the Marie Curie UTIFE project and how this project is addressing those key challenges. What is UTIFE, and how can it make 3D printing more reliable? Stay tuned. The UTIFE project, being carried out by the Marie Curie Postdoctoral Fellowship Grant, is looking to advance the technological readiness of titanium iron-based eutectic alloys by optimizing additive manufacturing processes. These alloys combine excellent mechanical performance, wear resistance, and thermal stability, along with other desirable properties. However, as we have seen in previous episodes, they are prone to cracking during selective laser melting. That's why in UTIFE, I'm researching how factors like laser speed, laser power, build plate temperature, and printing strategies like powder-free laser remelting can affect porosity, cracking, and microstructure in these alloys. Crucial to this work is the use of synchrotron X-ray imaging on samples like this, as it allows crack and pore formation, healing, and reformation to be observed in operando conditions. Observing cracks and pores in real time provides unmatched insight into their formation and healing mechanisms. In particular, synchrotron X-ray radiography has captured crack propagation in this material in real time. Rather than guessing how the cracks propagated, this operando view shows us exactly what happened. This synchrotron experimentation will allow any findings to be directly applied to industry, overcoming the laboratory-to-industry barrier common in research. To summarize, we are combining strategic processing choices, operando synchrotron techniques, and traditional materials characterization techniques like SEM imaging and mechanical testing. In addition, these results can also help inform the processing and optimization of other high-performance crack-prone alloys. In this way, we are building a comprehensive picture on how processing, defects, microstructure, and mechanical properties are connected in titanium iron eutectic alloys. I'm Dr. JoAnn Ballor, a Marie Curie Postdoctoral Fellow from IMDEA Materials Institute, and this has been UTIFE Science Explained. Thanks for watching!